welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and today I got off of work and I was like, you know what? Let's play with some makeup today. So I sat down and I did my eye makeup. I redid it. Everything else stayed the same, but I decided to film it for you. So if you like what this looks like, and once again, I'm talking with my hands. If you like my eye makeup and you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to wipe off my old makeup. And now I'm going to prep the lid with the Conceal and Define Concealer from Revolution Makeup and blend that out. Next, I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Pale. I'm using that in the upper crease area just to make those colors pop a little bit more, and I had to pile this on a little bit as well because it wasn't as white as I wanted it to be. And now I'm setting those areas with the Coty Airspun powder in translucent. Now with the Morphe Makin Bank palette, I'm going in with the shade Dolla. I think I used this before in one of my previous videos, but I just really love this shade, so I am now packing that on into the upper crease. So on the first eye, I experimented, it didn't go well, so I had to change up the game. So now on this eye, I am just setting down my MAC Painterly Paint Pot to prep that area for the yellow shade that I will be putting down. And then I am layering on top of that the color Jackpot. And now with my finger, I am putting on the shade Bazillionaire and Cha-ching. So as you can see, the edges were real wonky, so I had to clean those up. So once again, I'm going in with the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define. I use that as a concealer. It's actually a foundation. I'm extra, I know, but it's doing the trick. And now with an angled eyeliner brush and the Stila Glitter Glow liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, I am just outlining the border between those two shades just to add a little pop in there. So I am relining my waterline, and then I ran the shade Dolla underneath it and added Jackpot kind of on that inner corner, and then added a highlight over that as well. So for this look, I will be using magnetic lashes strictly because I did not want to use lash glue. And I mean, to be honest, this wasn't an easy process either. I am using the Glamnetic lashes, and I'm using the style in Lucky, but you might not be able to tell, a lot of that product actually got into my actual lashes, so I had to use mascara to try to separate them, and it still kind of turned into a big mess. So maybe I would have been better off using actual lashes, I don't know, but I did get them on. And this is the finished look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this quick little colorful, I really don't even know what I was doing look. So if you liked it, please give it a like down below, comment what you want to see me do next, subscribe as well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.